linear 0800, LDC 0800 belt drive. Listen how quiet that is. You need a new door opener. This is the door opener for you. Super smooth and quiet. Photo eyes, light, new wall station. Fire garage door needs, innovative door, 620-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook and we'll like you. How smooth that is. Need a new door opener. This is the one you buy. As long as you got a metal door that's balanced properly, this door opener is the one for you. Super quiet, dependable battery backup. LDC 0800. Thanks for watching our video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching.